on the issue at stake.
Okay, my name is Chief Ifeanyi Igbo. I am the National Secretary of Igbo, Buru Association of Nigeria, and one of the founding fathers. This press conference is very, very necessary because of the situation we are in, we the Igbos, the situation we are in Lagos. To us, Igbos in Lagos, the state now, we don't feel safe anymore. And this is a state we took as our second home. Since after election, it has been a ding-dong affair, from one story to the other. Just day before yesterday, I came across publication in the WhatsApp where they said that they gave Igbos, they will do protest, Igbo must go, by August 20 or so, something like that. They gave Igbos to leave Lagos by August 20. I begin to ponder where that thing came from. What is the cause of it? How did we offend? We that left our place to come and develop another man's land. We that put beauty in Lagos State. Where do we offend the indigenous? I have searched, I have inquired what happened. I don't understand. But this is the threat we are facing almost on daily basis now. You see our markets being bombed almost on weekly basis, which is very, very wrong. And if this thing continues this way, I'm afraid it might bring a breach of peace. And that is why this press conference is very, very necessary. So that the people, our landlords, our Yoruba brothers, they will understand that we all are one. We are one nation, and everybody in Nigeria has the right, according to Nigeria Constitution, to reside anywhere in Nigeria. So, them asking us that we should go. What about if we go now and say the Yorubas in the Igbo land should go? How is it going to be? Is it not going to cause a lot of problems? We should take it easy and face the reality. Igbos is not the cause of Nigeria problem. Igbos is not the cause of hunger. So they shouldn't divert their anger to Igbos. We are facing the same problem. There's nowhere they put Igbo shop that they will go there and buy rice for 20,000. It's the same price they are buying that we are buying. Everybody is facing it. They shouldn't put it on us so that there will be peace. I will not talk more than this. All I know is that if they will listen to this our voice and they make a U-turn, there will be absolute peace in Lagos. Thank you very much.
Thank you.